Alrighty, quick daily trading recap again for this Tuesday, the 10th of May, 2022. To Christ be the glory in everything. Coming again in with the late night session as I had a lot to occupy me for the market day today, which I'm in favor of. In favor definitely of just not forcing a lot of trades there, or forcing myself to be in front of the screen when I don't feel that there's anything really I'm so keen on or incentivized I feel to put more mental capacity or energy to. I just totally feel there is a tapering coming on, and having that experience and firsthand knowledge of going through it, the more I get into this trading career, the more I can build on that foundation and just fundamental understanding of what I've always been told and just in the readings and experience osmosis through other traders and their observations of, okay, now I can kind of find that affirmation once again that summer months are starting to slow again, of making that jogging, making that note in myself to be able to use that as a frame of reference and having confidence in that, especially too, and trusting in it and not just kind of really not knowing what I don't know in a sense. So yeah, today P&L came again mainly from that session-wide ES strategy. Initial profit target to the upside worked out pretty immediately from session open there, and then to the downside move happened pretty succinctly within the same similar time frame before any type of pre-market action or preparation that I was doing for the actual day, of maybe even still looking at equities, but nothing of that sort happened today either in the equity space. 930 strategy working out well too to the upside there, and just continuing to go after it with the same thing for today, or for even that would be Wednesday's full session wide strategy there. Above profit target went out well. We'll see how the downside profit target ends up working out. It could be blessing in disguise that this could be a losing day on that downside profit target, and then that could spike me to actually take a full ES contract size the next following day, because I do feel there's a less probability chance of it not hitting twice in a row. I think that's the correct way to say it. But yeah, continue to be excited for that, and yeah, not forcing things that aren't there, just not going absolutely crazy when I don't have to. I did take a few little dip buys here. I did take a nice little dip buy as it was almost perfectly on the VWAP scale on the MES contracts that I was looking at for how I like to play those just for funsies. We did get almost a perfect bounce. VWAP was a very different place on the MES contract side versus the SPY chart. Like VWAP is around here, right? Versus today that's kind of where the area where it bounced. So buying a little contract there, and sure enough, it worked out pretty nicely, securely. I took it for 5 points, whatever, just stupidity. Small little microscope as it was murky in my favor. I shoulda, coulda, woulda held it for much more, but wasn't expecting any more of it to come out of there, and wasn't trying to play with fire with that, just get in and get out. So played that little dip there, and then I did try to play a short around this consolidation, this breaking to the underside of VWAP, but just kind of shot myself in and out, took a little bit, like a half a point scalp there. But sure enough, it didn't. Ended up rolling over and finding a hard amount of downside move there. That would have been a nice little profit to sit and be a part of there. But that is all I had on the day. Now I got to go take a big poop. I can feel it coming on. And just continue to get after it for the next few days, weeks, and months coming into summer. Excited for it, and I'm extremely thankful for you guys watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one.